In the quiet corners of Assam, far from the bustling tea gardens, a new, aromatic revolution is taking root. It's an unlikely success story, a tropical spice, world-renowned for its scent and flavor, thriving in the unique climate of northeast India. This is the story of vanilla, the green gold of Assam. Vanilla is not an easy crop. It's a labor-intensive orchard that demands precision. For decades, vanilla was a stranger to these lands. But forward-thinking farmers, like school teacher Kamerina Rabha, saw potential where others saw only risk. The magic doesn't happen on its own. In its native habitat, specialized bees handle the pollination. Here, in the absence of those bees, the burden falls on human hands. Every single flower must be hand-pollinated. It's a precise, time-sensitive task that happens in the early hours of the morning. It's a dance between the farmer and the plant, a daily ritual that ensures the birth of the precious bean. Vanilla thrives in well-drained soil, enriched by natural compost. Under the filtered sunlight of shade nets, or protected by taller intercropped trees, the vines reach toward the sky. It's a crop for the patient. From the initial planting to the harvest, it takes years of care. But once a vineyard is established, it becomes a sustainable source of income, yielding for over 2 decades. Today, Assam's vanilla farmers are proving that with dedication, small-scale farming can yield big rewards. While market infrastructure and fair pricing remain hurdles, the movement is growing. Farmers are now training one another, sharing the knowledge of this lucrative, high-value spice. From a single sapling to a thriving enterprise, the vanilla journey in Assam is a testament to the power of innovation in agriculture. It's a reminder that sometimes, the sweetest successes are the ones we grow ourselves. Assam vanilla is spreading. And for those who have spent their mornings among the vines, it smells like a very promising future. Key takeaways. Market potential. Dried, cured vanilla beans are a high-value commodity, often fetching upwards of 10,000 rupees per kg. Organic requirement. The crop responds best to organic. Humic-rich, well-drained soil. Labor-intensive. Success relies heavily on manual hand-pollination, as the native Melipona bee is not present. Ideal climate. The humid, tropical climate of Assam is well suited for this orchard, provided excessive heat is managed with shade.